when you have a vision. Look at this, the original snowboard spot. A step up in the middle with a quarter pipe gradual to make a snow skate contest. How sick that would be. Amazing, eh?